Hello, everybody. I wanted to show you something. Well, first I'll show you, I got some of these flashing, let me show you, metal pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and secure those right there and on the other side over there. And, oh yeah, well, let me show you first. So, I brought in, of course, you saw my shelf, right? I went ahead and drilled a hole and put my $10 bamboo bowl from Walmart in there. I drilled this hole, but look, I didn't do very good with the router. It got away from me a couple of times. So this is recessed. So, but I'll have to put something in there to seal it anyway. So I thought that's cool. And I brought in this so I could size it up. And it fits. Although, when I have to attach the propane over here, I may have to slide it over. But, that was... sorry. I had a rummage sale. I got it for $5. It's brand new. Yeah. I got lucky with that one. And my jerry can. Remember how I was going to say how I was going to mount these on the side over here? Well, it's going to be winter, so I'm going to put it on the inside. Right there. So it should be fine. Because when I come inside here, you know, I'll be standing right here. See? It shouldn't be in the way. And I'll just attach like a bungee or something to that. And then I'll put the hoses down here into the cap. That way it doesn't freeze outside. And then I'll do that other project next time. But look at that. Also, I wanted to show you. I got little Walmart magnets. And they stick pretty good. So I'll super glue these. Or not super glue. Hot glue these. Probably around the edge. So the hot glue doesn't impede. Or maybe I'll hot glue them to the underneath. Nah, because look. I'll put them there. Anyway. That way, if I want to, I could just roll this up, and have an open... Let me move these out of the way. And have it open, so I could see all around sometimes. So... And also, I wanted to show you. I'm going to put carpet on the sides there. I'll show you the carpet. Hold on. Here it is. So I'll cut it to fit. And Walmart had a bunch of these throws for $2.50. This was their last web one. And then I got... Where's the other one? This teal color. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. So, yeah. So I just wanted to show you that. And it's going to be really nice in the 70s. And no rain for a few days. So I think I'm going to try to get some work done either on the inside or try to get that flashing stuck down and secured. And then I think I may work on getting my solar panel up there and then the wires run and stuff. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, peeps. Live life to the fullest. See you next time.